I'm Connor Ralphs and I'm studying level 3 music. The reason I chose Coleg y Cymoedd was due to coming in and meeting both Scott Howells and Scott Jones. They brought me in. I was a bit unsure whether to start in this college after being to uni. But when I come in and I seen the facility and the equipment and all the things that the college had to offer, it was a no-brainer. It was definitely the right decision for me. Some of the skills I've learned this year has been mainly my production. My production level has gone from more or less nothing to something I'm now kind of addicted to. Even when I go home from college, going out to college, I'm constantly researching, watching videos on mix with the masters, or I want to learn everything now. It started from nothing and now it's something I'm addicted to. I would recommend Coleg y Cymoedd to anyone. You have to come to this college to really understand what I mean. I was the same. I was a bit sceptical about joining the college, but after meeting with the tutors, the staff, and seeing what this college has to offer, like I said, it is a no-brainer to come to this college.